Right, you've missed the total excitement of the birds demolishing the sultanas. It's a bit like Bomber Squad. They all came down and they finished them. They're loving the apple, and RSPB reckon that blackbirds are on the way in. Well, I can tell you that we've got at least 6 that are coming in the garden. I know that at least 4 of them are juveniles of different. See, there's 4. Now, these I think are all juveniles, or not fully grown up yet anyway. There was a coloured dove here a minute ago, and somewhere around is a song thrush that keeps popping back. Starting to fight. There's a really fat blackbird, which I think is the parent. I would open the door, but it's bloody freezing out there today. Next time I will open the door and you can hear the noise they're making. See, unfortunately last year we didn't get opportunity to do a lot of stuff in the garden for personal reasons, and so a lot of our bushes have overgrown and they've just gone bonkers mad, nesting everywhere. Oh, there's some thrush now. Unfortunately, I don't know how the zoom works on this thing, because it doesn't work, because it's rubbish. That's can't see him very well through here, I know. That's thrush. That's girl blackbird. That's squibble. We have got a council estate of tree sparrows in that great big bush at the end there, behind the bird table. And we've also got a gaggle of blue tits that are living in there, and also some starlings, and the fattest wood pigeon you've ever seen in your life. I'll do one in the morning when they're on their proper feed, and we'll get a feel for it.